Today we are going to change the belt on a Viking MB 253.1 T Lawnmower. Tip the lawnmower backwards and prop upright with a suitable tool. Locate the two screws holding the cover in place and remove. Disconnect the belt from the V-belt pulleys and then remove. Get your new belt and place over the blade until flushed on the pulley and then hook around the second pulley. Whilst being careful, you can now test that the blade rotates. Place the cover back into position and secure with the two screws. That's how you change the belt on a Viking lawnmower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.